Hello guys, welcome to my channel Superviral Reviews. Today we are going to talk about ADA Leadz 2.0, and if you want to get this you can go by clicking on the link given below. ADA lawsuits have increased by 64% in 2021. Average lawsuit is $50,000. The website accessibility guidelines and ADA now apply globally, and they apply to every business website. If your website or your client's website is not compliant, you're open to be sued for tens of thousands of dollars. ADA Leadz 2.0 is for agencies, and it helps you find non-compliant websites in seconds. Plus, it then creates stunning website audits for your clients that you can monetize quickly. There has been nothing like this in our marketplace before. Sounds like hype? We'll prove it to you on the live training. What is ADA Leadz 2.0?
Hey, how's it going? It's me, Mario, and I have a quick question for you. Did you know that last year, 2021, the amount of ADA lawsuits has increased by 64%, according to the Wall Street Journal, okay? That means that if your website or your client's website is not optimized for ADA optimization, for ADA guidelines, you can be sued. And usually the first lawsuit is for $50,000, and the second lawsuit, the follow-up lawsuit, if you don't make any tweaks to your website, is for $150,000. Okay. Now, if you wonder what ADA stands for, it stands for the Americans with Disabilities Act, and it's part of the Web Accessibility Guidelines, which apply worldwide. Anywhere in the world, Europe, United States, Canada, you name it, if you have a website and it's not optimized for ADA, you are open to a lawsuit. And below this video, I have the latest news articles, I have TV reports, it's all over TV. At the same time, there's law firms that unfortunately specialize in this. All they do all day, they just browse websites and find the ones that are not optimized, and they sue them for $50,000 on average, okay? So if you have a website, if you're an agency, a local market, if you're an online market, if you have an e-commerce store, you wanna pay attention to that, and I have proof for you below this video. Now, I'm doing a webinar on Wednesday, the 19th, January 19th, Wednesday at 10 a.m. Eastern time, okay, where I'm going to show you our ADA solution. We have a software specifically for local agencies, for local marketers, for video marketers that helps you, find websites that are not optimized for ADA, and then you can reach out to those websites and the business owners automatically with our software, reaching out to them, and you can create a beautiful report and audit with our software, okay? It takes the prospect's website, it shows them what's not optimized, it shows them the news reports, and it sells for you the case why they need help with that, right? And then the most important step, we're also providing you with the most up-to-date widget that's available to optimize any website to be more accessible and more optimized for ADA, okay? So it's a all-in-one solution. It's specifically for local marketers, agencies, for video marketers, but even if you, for your own business website, if you wanna be better protected against a potential lawsuit, you might wanna pay attention to this as well. So it's an all-in-one solution. We called it ADA Leadz 2.0, and I'm going to do a webinar for it on Wednesday, the 19th, okay? On that webinar, I'm gonna give you a rundown, a walkthrough of the actual software. This is the brand new version of our software. It's the most up-to-date ADA solutions out there. I'm going to show you the lead generation feature, lead management. I'm going to show you how cool and nice the audits look like, okay, that you can create. And you can offer these audits for free, or you can charge a fee. It's a great tangible value that you can add to a prospect, okay? And then most importantly, I'm also going to show you the widget that you can customize, you can change it. It's going to make any website more accessible, right? Now, our widget is not a secret weapon. It's not going to turn any website into a 1000% compliant website, but it's a great first step, something tangible that you can sell right away, that your prospect, your client can see on the website, and it's going to make their website more accessible, okay? So again, right now, what I want you to do below the video, there's a link. I want you to click on that and register for the webinar. Again, it's on Wednesday, January 19th at 10 a.m. Eastern time. Please show up on time, and you're going to get an early bird special. I'm going to show you all of the upgrades. I'm going to show you the actual software in action. and there's going to be a lot of proof, and I'm going to show you news reports and different businesses that got sued just last year in 2021, left and right, for up to $150,000, right? It's all over the news. This is a real issue where you can bring a solution, a tangible solution to the plate, right? You could be out there, you could be an agency offering a unique and truly helpful service and solving a huge issue out there, okay? Helping with ADA optimization. And this is the most up-to-date solution to this problem, right? So go ahead, check out the rest on this website right here, but then most importantly, please click on the link, register for the webinar. And again, we're gonna have bonuses. We're gonna have an early bird special. We're gonna give you a full demo. We're gonna show you how businesses are actually being sued right now. Right? There's law firms out there right now, and they do nothing else. All they do is just scan websites that they can sue one after the next, right? So you can bring a solution to the plate. So that's about it. I'm super excited about this webinar. I can't wait to see you on the call, and talk soon.
So don't waste your time and join the training now. Link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for more information. Sign off.